So my name is Rashik Parmar. I'm Chief Technology Officer for Northern Europe. I've been working with the college now for about 15 years in various guises, currently an adjunct professor with the college. Within IBM, my role is Chief Technology Officer, so responsible for technical strategy within Northern Europe. The biggest challenge in innovation is trying to bring together the consortia of people. One of the unique capabilities that the college has is being able to draw on a broad range of relationships, both within the academic and the commercial sector, and being able to bring together the range of expertise into one group. So they really act as the innovation catalyst in many situations. I'd actually draw out two things. Firstly, the Think, Play, Do work that's being led by the department here provides a very nice and easy to use structure for finding those innovations and making people think differently. So that's very, very powerful. The second thing I've drawn is this notion of business platforms. Again, the college here has been leading the world in thinking about new business platforms, which helps find how a business can evolve into becoming the next leader, the next eBay, the next PayPal or whatever. And the college has been instrumental in looking at our own innovation processes through a group within IBM called the Academy of Technology, which is about 350 of our technical leaders. And what the college did is looked at how that group within IBM enables innovation, how those processes work and how we might change that and how we might become more effective in that. We've worked very closely with the college around the STEM report, but the Royal Society paper. And that clearly sets out a perspective on the importance of STEM in the service industries. And for us, that's a critical part of policy going forward. So the policies that the college is driving and enabling around STEM, I think are fundamentally important to the UK's success. I think what the EPSRC gets is above and beyond what's directly visible from the activities that the college does. So being the catalyst for innovation, there's a ripple effect of value that they generate, both in their direct relationships with the organisation they work with, and the ongoing dissemination of ideas and capability across the UK. The first thing I think is the depth and breadth of expertise that the INE groups brings in looking at business models, in processes, in systems, and looking at them in a very structured way which allows you to see the opportunity for innovation. The second aspect I would say is the constellation of partners that the college can draw on to be able to bring insight in outside from the traditional ways in which you look at innovation. And the third thing I would say is how the college is very open to collaborate with people. The ability to bring together the right people needs that draw not only from the expertise that exists but also the location. So making it easy to access, having easy access to policymakers, to thought leadership in a range of industries and capabilities is absolutely key. So I think the location is fabulous and it's a key aspect of the value proposition here. I think one of the key aspects of the college here is maintaining sustained long-term relationships. Those long-term relationships will then lead to things that we never really thought about. So if you look at the journey between IBM and the college here, and specifically the IE department, it's evolved in many ways. So we start to understand each other much better. We can be much more effective when it comes to solving particular issues or problems or driving projects forward. It's very easy to identify a problem, analyze it, develop a solution, and then throw it out there and assume somebody will pick it up and do something with it. Having that sustained relationship gives us the opportunity to see that through to fruition and to see real value being generated. So if I look at the projects that we kicked off 4 or 5 years ago, we're starting to see the fruits of some of those projects now.